my friends, my name is Ellen. Welcome back to my Southern Kitchen and the third episode of Ellen's Thanksgiving Series 2024. My friends, I've got the ultimate fall and Thanksgiving drink recipe to share with all of y'all. We're going to make apple punch. And my friends, it is so simple and easy to make. The bomb.com delicious, and it is loaded with 4 types of juice. Everybody will be going back for seconds and perfect to serve for your Thanksgiving dinner. And it will quench up your thirst. And I'll post a complete recipe along with the instructions down below in the description box. Also check out my previous video, Southern Chest Pie. I'll post a link to that down below in the description box. So grab your punch bowl, your apple juice, and your citrus sugar, because we're about to make some apple punch magic in my Southern kitchen. Here we go. Alright my friends, in my measuring cup, I have 1/4 cup of fresh lemon juice, and I just squeezed them. Use 2½ large lemons, and I use my mesh strainer to catch the seeds. So now we're going to pour it into my bowl. And into our lemon juice, we're going to add in 1½ cups of orange pineapple juice. Next, we're going to add in 2 cups of apple juice. Now we're going to add in 2 cups of cranberry juice, and make sure you use the 100% cranberry juice and not the cranberry juice cocktail. And last but not least, we're going to add in 6 cups of fresh ginger ale. Beautiful bubbles. And give it a stir until it's well incorporated. And make sure you taste it to see if it's sweet enough for you. You can add in a little white sugar. And that's it, my friends. Our punch is ready to serve. So now I'm about to pour it into my mason jars, and then we'll give it a taste. All right, my friends, I have my mason jars and I filled them up with ice. You can also put the punch in the refrigerator and let it chill. You don't have to do this step. So now we're going to add in some lemon slices, some orange slices, and some diced apples. Add in the punch. And last but not least, a lime slice. Just like that. Isn't that pretty? And there you have it, my friends. Apple punch. Doesn't that look good? Now it's time for the best part, the tasting. All right, here we go. Cheers. Crisp, refreshing, and I can taste the juice, and it is bursting with citrus goodness. This apple punch is phenomenal, my friends. Please give this recipe a try. This deserves another sip. Yum-o. Apple punch-licious. My friends, many thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video recipe, please give it a thumbs up. I really do appreciate it. And for more Southern magic in my kitchen, hit that subscribe button and click on the bell so that way you'll be notified when my new videos come out. Also, follow me on social media. Facebook, Ellen's Homemade Delights. Instagram at Ellen Delights. And please send me an email, ellenshomemadeDelights@gmail.com. I would love to see your beautiful creations with my recipes. And I'll see y'all on my next video. Much love and happy Thanksgiving. Cheers.